In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and edit black screen video in CapCut PC. If you need a clean black background for an intro title, a dramatic pause, or end credits, CapCut makes it very simple with a built-in asset. We'll walk through the process from bringing the black screen into your project to adjusting its length and then adding text and a smooth fade effect so it looks polished on your timeline. To begin, go to the top left area of CapCut and click on Media. Once you're there, look just below that section for the sidebar and choose Library. This is where CapCut stores built-in visual assets, including solid color backgrounds. In the grid of color options, find the solid black thumbnail. When you see it, click and hold on that black preset, then drag it down to an empty track on your timeline and drop it into place. This gives you an instant black screen clip without needing to import anything from your computer. Once the black clip is on the timeline, the next step is to adjust how long it stays on screen. Move your cursor to the right edge of the clip until your pointer changes into a white, double-sided resize arrow. Then click and drag that edge. Pull it to the right if you want the black screen to last longer, which works well for title cards or credit sections. Drag it to the left if you want a shorter moment, like a quick transition or pause between scenes. This is one of the easiest ways to control pacing, so take a second to match the clip length to the timing of your video. After that, you can place content over the black screen. For example, if you want an intro title, go back to the top left menu and click Text. Find the default text option, then drag that text layer onto the track directly above the black background clip. Placing it on the layer above ensures the text appears on top of the black screen and stays easy to read. To make the ending of the black screen feel smoother, go to the Transitions tab, open the Basic category, and find the standard Fade Out effect. Drag that transition down onto the back edge of the black clip on your timeline. This helps the black screen fade naturally into your main footage instead of cutting abruptly, which usually gives your edit a more professional feel. And that's it. You've loaded the built-in black screen from the media library, adjusted its duration on the timeline, added a text overlay above it, and applied a fade-out transition to smooth the ending. With just a few quick moves, your black screen section is ready to use in CapCut PC.